Mechanism and control of feeding of insects. Insects are extremely diverse arthropods with highly diverse lifestyle. All kinds of organic material may be used by insects as food. Their feeding activities have an enormous ecological impact on all terrestrial and freshwater ecosystems. Insect feeding contributes to pollination, nutrient cycling, pest control, and water purification, whereas it can be destructive to wild and cultivated plants and store products and maybe transmit pathogens to animals and plants including humans. In this context, from form and function of mouthparts are crucial to understand the feeding behavior as well as the ecological and economic importance of insects. So we're going to discuss the feeding of insects. What do insects eat? Practically anything they want. There are so many different insects that among all of them, no potential food is safe. Lots of insects eat plants. Some insects eat other insects, and some even drink blood. Many insects eat nectar from plants, and some insects will eat whatever scraps of food you leave lying around. So, how do insects eat? Insects eat in many different ways, and they eat a huge range of foods. Around half are plant eaters, feeding on leaves, roots, seeds, nectars, or wood. Aphids and leafhoppers suck up the plants. Praying mantises are predators, hunting other small creatures, including insects like moths, caterpillars, flies, beetles, and spiders. Insects like mosquitoes and aphids have special mouthparts that help them pierce and suck. Others, like assassin bugs and certain species of female mosquitoes, eat other insects. Fleas and lice are parasites, eating the flesh or blood of larger animals without killing them. A few insects such as mayflies and some moths never eat. That because their lives are over in just few hours or days. Once these insects become adults, they lay eggs and then die. Insects have different types of appendages, arms and legs adapted from capturing and feeding on prey. They also have special senses that help them detect prey. Furthermore, insects have a wide range of mouthparts used for feeding. Example of chewing insects including dragonflies, grasshoppers, and beetles. These insects use one pair of jaws to bite off bits of food and grind them down. Another pair of jaws help to push the wood or the food down from the throat. Some larvae also have chewing mouthparts, as in the caterpillar stages of moths and butterflies. Some insects use siphoning as if sucking through a straw, like moths and butterflies. This long mouth tube that they use to suck up the nectar of the flower is called a proboscis. Some moths, however, have no mouth parts at all. Some insects obtain food by sponging, like the housefly. Sponging means that the mouthpart can absorb liquid food and send it to the esophagus. The housefly is able to eat solid food by releasing saliva and dabbing it over the food. As the saliva dissolves the food, the sponging mouthpart absorbs the liquid food. So how do butterfly eats? You might have seen butterflies searching for food on a flower before. They have long tube-like mouthparts that can reach deep within a flower. The butterfly uses this mouth tube to siphon nectar from the flower as if sucking through a straw.